In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome browser not appearing full screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you want Chrome to fill your entire screen canvas by stripping away the top URL address bar, bookmark strips, and your bottom Windows taskbar, you can use the system presentation trigger. So what you want to do is open up Google Chrome, and then go ahead and press F11 on your keyboard, like so, and then that's gonna make sure that it's full screen. Now it forces all interface border elements and snaps the viewport straight onto a clean edge-to-edge media presentation grid array. And if you want to ever escape it, just press F11 again, and you could just go ahead and do that as many times as you want. What you could also do is reset hidden window coordinates. So click on the Chrome icon on your bottom taskbar, and then hold down the Windows key and then the up arrow, and then this commands Windows to ignore cached app coordinates and force snap the targeted application frame directly into a 100% maximized layout. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.